Good morning, world. How are we doing? I'm doing really good. It's about 64 degrees. I got about 2.5 hours to drive. We're going to go to a wildlife refuge and boondock. Oops. I just saw a deer. It wasn't like a regular brown deer, but I couldn't get close enough to see, really what it was. I wouldn't know anyway, as you know. So hopefully I got that on film. Video. So this was up by the restrooms. Tells what kind of plants and insects. Kind of weird how there's 2 pit toilets with only 5 camp spots. That's awesome. Gosh, it looks like Little House on the Prairie here. There they go. They're gonna hop the fence. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Good morning, world. I'm taking this old country road, county road, because GPS said to, for 3 miles. And I came across this obviously abandoned homestead here. Hey, a little bit of a fixer-upper, but hey, it's got a good roof. Yeah. Looks like the cows have been using it. Anyway, we're leaving the refuge, wildlife refuge right now, and going to another spot. So, see you soon. So neat. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was weird. I heard this rubbing noise, almost like rubbing and then swooshing sound. So I stopped on this desolate road, and it was a big piece of tumbleweed caught underneath a car, so I had to climb under there and get it out. But we did it. Good grief, they're everywhere. He's just standing there. How funny. Hey, little buddy. It's like they're tame. We're in Colorado. I didn't expect that. Look at those cool mountains up there. Right on. Hello. We are at the Timpas, Timpas picnic area. And I guess you can stay the night. Looks like there's a couple of trails to go on out that way. It go loops around. So, yeah, we got a nice bathroom. And by the road, right by the railroad track, but apparently only goes by once, maybe. Putting the prairie back together again. Huh. Well, that's where I'm parked right now. I'm not sure where we're supposed to park. My travel buddy isn't here yet. We always leave separately and then meet up. Kind of works out that way, and then that way you don't have to wait for each other, and so yeah, that's where I am. I really enjoyed the road here. I mean, it just changes, I don't know. It's almost like a child that's never been outside. That's honestly what it feels like to me. So, check you later. You remember that song, Fa La 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 La? That's how I feel right now. Fa La 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 La, Fa La 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 La, Fa La 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 La, doo 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 doo, and then they go high. Oh, I feel good, na 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 na, the way that I should, da na 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 na. Oh, I feel good, da na 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 na, the way that I should, da na 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 na. So good, so good.